So, TikTok has moved from a search platform to a discovery platform. So, TikTok Shop is everywhere, but the Amazon affiliation program is still the gold mine for high ticket items and a lifestyle list. So, nowadays, I'm going to be telling you the secret because it's not just a posting a link, it's about the CEO optimized discovery so people don't search for the product on TikTok, they find them. So, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a bridge page, how to bypass the follower link limit, and the exact 3-step video formula. So the first thing to do is the linked in bio setup. So when you have an actual account, what you want to do, the first thing to do is to register your account. You can do it with a Google account, you can do it with your own elements. In this case, let's say for example that I go from TechExpress, I head for the option that says next, and usually it might be asking you to enter the right information inside here. Now basically when you have your first account, it might be asking you for a verification process or some instructions in order to get started. Usually if you're under 1,000 followers, you must switch to a business account to unlock a field linked view or a linked in bio, as everyone might be saying. So this is an actual tool that can be helping you to add the information out of it. Let's say for example that I just enter the right information from my website like this. I go for next, and I have just a quick verification tapped open. Let's just skip this part and go straight directly into the creation of my TikTok website, or in this case my account. So I'm gonna activate my business account so I can have now tools from the marketing elements directly inside here. So basically, for example, that I focused for entertainment and education, then I hit for continue. Let's say okay, let's say accept, and we are directly inside here. So just like that, now my account will be having access to a few more tools that you must of course needed to get in when you get started, for example, from the 1,000 followers. So now that you have your account already been getting started, now there's a 1-second stop scroll. You wanted to use a pattern interrupt, showing a message, for example, like a visual payoff before you start even talking. To get started with the Amazon affiliation marketing, I wanted to open a new tab and go for Amazon affiliate. This will be telling us getting started, for example, with the Amazon Associate section, where you can just import your actual information. You can import your basic elements, and you can import a paid method plan in order to have access here into the Amazon Associates. What's going to happen here is that the store itself is going to be giving you an actual ID. This means that this specific ID will be helping me to earn a few commissions. So if I head directly here into Amazon.com, when I select one specific product that I would like to promote, for example, into the upper side, it will be giving me a specific link for this specific product. This means that when somebody purchases a product from this specific link that I just gave them, I will be receiving a few revenue of this specific product. So I can assure you that you can try. In this case, you can try to use a little bit of this information, a little bit of these videos, to import them directly here into TikTok, for example. So I generate my video from TikTok and I paste it directly in here. So what I wanted to do is that directly when I edit my profile, I wanted to hit, for example, here into the actual bio, and I can just get started by just pasting, for example, the actual code of the product that I'm actually promoting. So you wanted to don't use long URLs, you wanted to use the Amazon shorten provided into the Amazon application to make this process much more faster. Now, speaking about the optimization of the TikTok, this is a search engine. So before you post, you wanted to search for the product and see what keywords people used. For example, I'm going to use exactly the same here, eKid Super Mario walkie-talkies. So I copy this information and I paste it directly here into TikTok, and I wanted to find out what kind of videos are people making about this specific product. So scroll a little bit down, check out how they actually looks, and you can see that they don't have a lot of videos generated. So with this information, what I wanted to do is to use the best of what I can do, select one specific product that has popular, for example here into the upper side where it says see more. or let's say the top video is this one. So I select this top video, and you can see that this one has classic makeup, Polly's, walkie-talkie, Kids toys, Super Mario Bros. So I'm going to be using this information to generate my actual video. So just don't use hashtags. You want to write a descriptive 2-line captions using those keywords example. So this puts you at the top of the Amazon Find search tab. Scaling with the Spark Ads, you can do it so into the Spark Ads, but that's for another tutorial. This is just a basic way of how we can get started, because we already have an Amazon affiliation link, we have a TikTok account now, and a business account to get started with the actual links. So with this being said, guys, we have already at the very end of the video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools how we can get started with this kind of affiliation marketing from Amazon and TikTok. Thank you once again for watching, guys. Hopefully we can see you all next time.